In today's fast-changing world, leadership isn't just for adults. It starts in the classroom. Generation Alpha students are more connected, more engaged, and more eager to participate than ever before. But are we teaching them the way they need to learn? In collaborative leadership for the classroom leading generation. Alpha students, leadership scholar and educator Don Broadwell challenges the outdated command and control teaching model and introduces a new way forward, one where students and teachers lead together. I love it when my teacher lets us decide how we learn, discover how to transform classroom leadership into an exciting, stress-free experience. Create your own unique teaching style, because one size does not fit all. Engage students in decision-making and unlock their full potential. From ancient leadership wisdom to modern-day collaboration, this book is your guide to empowering students, building strong classroom communities, and preparing the next generation of leaders. Collaborative Leadership for the Classroom by Don Broadwell, available now in Writers Branding, Reading Glass bookstores, Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, and with over 2,000 partner vendors nationwide. Order your copy today and lead the future.